starting the day at the TF again. Hi, Curtis.
Hi, everybody. How are we doing today?
Jason.
What up, dude?
Old people.
Oh, it's you. Oh, shut your face. Oh, shut your pie hole. You love me.
Are these getting repetitive? I feel like it's getting old. I gotta change it up, but we do this every Saturday. How you doing? How's it going? Nice white hat.
Old people. Old people out.
Both of my batteries died. I'm sorry, KJ. Will you forgive me?
What?
I let my batteries die.
What?
Hey, I haven't seen you in a couple minutes. John's coming to stay the night. Do you have the T2i? Is it okay if we borrowed it?
That's my dad.
Got your wallet and stuff? John's let me borrow his camera, so thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so
He's coming over. This kid's coming over. It's gonna be a crazy night. Hello. We're gonna get a photo and a clip. I haven't used a strap in like 2 years. I don't like it. There you are. Are you gonna get a clip on the rail?
No. What rail?
Oh my gosh, quick, going behind me. Oh, stupid. Good job, KJ. You almost killed us. You gonna hit the rail, John?
Crap, did we bring wax?
No.
Someone go.
It's gonna be slippery anyways.
Yeah.
Gosh, right when I get here.
This rail? Oh, this is fun. Look at the ground.
That's perfect, dude.
Alright, let's hurry up.
It's starting to rain harder. He's gotta get it really soon. You got it, KJ? This is what the process of getting a photo is like. You know what makes this really hard? It's so difficult for him because it's really wet right where he's popping. And it's sprinkling too, so but we'll be good.
Hey.
Yeah, it's sticky.
You got it, dude.
Why is it sticky? Hey, look at that guy. He's spray painting. Oh!
It's really starting to come down.
I want to go watch
I mean, a lot for skateboarding. Isn't it, John? Camera's a little wet.
Oh! Lawson! He rang the doorbell.
Dude, stop. Alright, well my phone ran out of space, so I don't know if we'll get a clip of him doing it. Maybe if he does it twice for me.
2,000 years later.
He finally landed it! Oh my gosh. My pants are soaked.
Thank you, God.
How do you feel now?
Felt good, man. That was clean. My glasses are all foggy.
You should do it again for the video. Just try one.
Thanks, dude. Oh, snap. Dude, you see how it's like trailed down?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Alright, right here.
Well, I got a Polaroid. That took like, oh man. I'm really happy that you actually got it, but we gotta get going. It's so soaking wet. Look at his board.
You know how perfect that photo was, though?
Oh yeah, here's the photo.
Dude, that was literally the most perfect photo. Like, everything was so perfect about that photo.
And like how it's freaking soaking wet out here.
And my 5.0 was perfectly straight. Like, on a posted date, it'd be like...
Sorry we kept you waiting.
We got the most perfect
He got it.
photo. Oh my god.
6.5 hours later.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Shut up, poser.